Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we're going to unbox and do an initial first impressions of the little 22-pound double horn anvil that you can find on eBay and Amazon. I'll put some affiliate links to it down in the description down below that go out to help support the channel at no additional cost to you. Full disclosure there. But let's just jump right into this unboxing experience. First and foremost, this box, out of all the anvils that I have received, is in much better condition. And, you know, take that with what you will, depending on what courier service is carrying it. This just came, I believe this came FedEx to me. Yeah, it was FedEx to me. So they did an okay job with this one. So we'll go ahead and open this up here, and let's see how small a 22-pound anvil really is. You guys are going to love this one. Let me grab this little booger out of there. It's a baby! Let me put that down. There you go. That's what you're going to be looking at when you unbox a little 22-pound anvil. One of the other things that this came with, or was supposed to come with, was a hammer. So let's pull this hammer out of the box. Again, can't forget your dragon skin, and it had just two little tiny bits of cardboard in the box. So don't need that anymore. And there's what you got for your little hammer. The hammer is really roughly ground. It's not even square. It's a square-faced hammer that's more trapezoidal than square. But I guess you get what you pay for when it's free. And the handle is made out of some sort of balsa wood and wasn't even put in straight. I probably can't even show you how. I probably can't even showcase it to the camera. I'm going to try to get camera 2 here and see. Yeah, there's no... yeah. Again, quality standings, we're going to call that an ergonomic grip. But anyways, yeah, so really, really tiny little hammer. I guess it could be used for something of value. And, you know, that's what you are working with. Now, on the website, when I bought this, I could not find a size of these different holes, of these holes that go through here. So we'll go ahead and do the Perch hole. The Perch hole is just about a 1/2 inch or 12.5 millimeters for you guys there across the pond. And the Hardy hole is, again, a 1/2 inch square. Hardy hole, mostly square. Hardy hole for you all there across the pond. So, yeah, what do I think of it? Well, quality-wise, it's a little bit on the rougher side, this little 10-kilogram Acciaio, than what that 66-pounder is, or the, I believe, 30-kilogram Acciaio anvil that I got there a few weeks back, actually a couple months now back. So yeah, the casting is a lot rougher in this one by a long shot. I don't know, your mileage may vary depending on where you buy it from. It may just, again, it might vary a little bit, but you'll have to clean this up for any sort of serious work anyhow. But what is this anvil good for? Right now, clearly, just looking at it, this is not going to be intended for your general blacksmith work. This 22 pounds and the orientation that it's set up in, there really is not enough mass under the hammer of this anvil here to make it worthwhile. You could kind of get a 25-pound sledgehammer stuck in the dirt, and that might have a lot more mass to it, clearly, than this. So, you know, if you're just needing an anvil to do smaller stuff, if you're doing copperwork, you're doing jewelry projects, you do a lot of small hooks and such, this will be a perfect anvil, or what I like to call a lap anvil. You know, like kind of how they call, you know, small dogs lap dogs, right? They sit on your lap. Instead of this sitting on your lap, this is sitting on maybe a little small stump between your legs while you're sitting down and working. So would be great for those horseshoe nail hooks. If you haven't seen how I make those, I'll put a link somewhere in here that you guys can watch the little small things, big profit. It would be perfect for like a nail making setup or something of that nature. But any real forging work, it's not going to work out the greatest. Now, when I purchased this anvil, it was $59.96. So for a shape of an anvil that's like this in the general quality that I can see, it's in pretty good shape. Again, not a lot of mass. You can't expect a whole lot for rebound or otherwise. Those few hammers there, depending on how soft this thing is, it didn't leave any dents or anything in the surface, so that's nice. So it's definitely hard. It's definitely got a nice little chime to it. So again, I think this will do someone out there good if you're into the jewelry. The horn is in really, not the greatest of shape. It's more of a bracelet shape, and the way they ground this after the casting, or the way that the mold was parted, is just, again, it's a little awkward. It's kind of pimply. It's kind of ate up there. You will have to grind that down quite a bit. But anyways, there you go. There's your little look there at this tiny little anvil. Be looking for it in other videos. I'll probably put it to work and use it in some other comparison testing videos as I've got going on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, to be notified when I post more videos, as I will be doing all this year of 2020. I'll be doing a lot more anvil reviews, as we're calling it the year of the anvil, and at our live streams every other week, we will be we got door prizes, things like that, but in one of those live streams, one live stream a month, we're giving away a 66-pound Acciaio Anvil for the whole year of 2020. So definitely check it out. Subscribe if you're not. There you go. That's how it is. I know this is just a quick video, but no need to keep you around for 20 minutes on such a little tiny anvil. So that's it for today. God bless each and every last one of you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.